Bubble, IO versus Glide no-code app builder comparison. Choosing the right no-code app builder can completely change how you create powerful apps without complex coding. We'll explore Bubble or Glide, two top contenders for building apps fast and effectively. Bubble. Oya and Glide are popular no-code platforms designed to build apps quickly. The core difference lies in customization depth. Bubble offers advanced flexibility and logic, while Glide focuses on simplicity and speed using spreadsheets as a backend. Bubble. IO is a comprehensive no-code platform that allows users to build fully customizable web applications. It works by providing a visual editor where you can design UI elements, set up complex workflows, and manage databases without writing code. Its strength lies in its flexibility. Users can create anything from marketplaces to social networks with detailed logic and integrations. However, this power comes with a learning curve, making Bubble more suited for users willing to invest time in mastering its tools. Performance can vary depending on app complexity, and the interface may feel overwhelming for beginners. Ideal users are entrepreneurs, startups, and developers looking for a scalable, highly customizable app solution without coding. Bubble. IO supports advanced features like API integrations, user authentication, and custom plugins, making it a robust choice for serious app projects. Glide is a no-code app builder designed for quick app creation using Google Sheets or Excel as the data source. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use, allowing users to turn spreadsheets into mobile-friendly apps with minimal setup. Glide's drag-and-drop interface and pre-built templates make it accessible for non-technical users who want to launch apps fast. Its strengths include rapid prototyping, automatic syncing with data changes, and a clean user experience optimized for mobile devices. The main limitation is less flexibility compared to Bubble. Custom logic and complex workflows are limited, making it less suitable for highly customized or large-scale apps. Glide is ideal for small businesses, event organizers, or anyone needing simple apps like directories, inventories, or internal tools. It's perfect when speed and ease of use outweigh the need for advanced customization. Choosing between Bubble, IO, and Glide depends on your project's needs. If you require a highly customizable app with complex workflows, Bubble is the better choice, though it demands more time to learn and build. For example, startups building marketplaces or social platforms benefit from Bubble's flexibility. On the other hand, Glide excels when speed and simplicity are priorities. It's ideal for apps based on structured data like event schedules or product catalogs, especially when you want to launch quickly without technical skills. The trade-off is Glide's limited customization and workflow complexity. In summary, Bubble offers depth and scalability at the cost of complexity, while Glide provides ease and speed with simpler app capabilities. Choose Bubble, IO if you need a powerful, flexible app with advanced features and are ready to invest time learning its platform. Glide is the best pick for fast, simple apps built from spreadsheets, perfect for users prioritizing ease and speed over customization. Assess your project's complexity and timeline to decide which no-code builder fits your goals best.